Namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga Analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the title Mayengani the President Producer. Of course, kunga hlavu the Gupta. I'm nga hleketa previously in the video the magata direct. If video I'm gonna save on ndavekela like a top comment. However, we'll never have some positive news because of course as you can see if you want to have the Gupta. Africa show offer all his cars. So that he flash that slash a kid the one in quad of course. Yeah, the first one here, of course, that polo. We shava na yona. Quite a clean car. I'm impressed. And then from there, key in the yaka lily ungoitive video. This video. I mean, you know, working at 9 status and stuff like that. We don't know this one. So this is I think maybe it's his first car. Okay, and then of course in the Chevrolet Avio, we all know this one. No video, of course, in Linion, of course, not Poland Linion, of course, and then the other one is the BMW 3 Series. As you can see now, not posted this year 2023, but information then I come very last year around November or December and stuff like that. So you are move have the Gupta link enough for one move. And the next one, guys, we cannot ignore it. We could have the Gupta got the producer in Sanan. Yana ka ku holi swi komba ku ari ku holini ka mali like ari karhi a dya music swa kala ka Gaza sweswo swa kala swinene hi ku hi xitalo ka Gaza hi vona ku va ku ri karhi ku dya ti-artist mara swi komba ku hi side ra the Gupta i le ku dyeni swinene mali as you can see as 4 cars. I mean hinkwenu swi voneni hi bandzini na hi iPhone 14 plus sweswiya swi kombe na ku yena a nga ku karhateni got the producer in terms of finances and stuff like that. So I also think it's time maybe the producer like Gaza like the entire DJ Maphorisa va swi endlaku leswi kuma loko I producer la munhu like vito ra wena na rona ra monetiziwa la you get royalties. I think leswi swi endliwa ka Gaza manjeni. Maybe they should apply that. Voka up the small leswi va swi endlaku la loko va producer va make sure na vona loko recipe leriya registeriwa for monetization na vona vito ra vona ri va ri kona. That's why mi kuma loko se risimu ri trenda swinene ri generate mali mi kuma ku na yivo va nga producer na vona va kuma mali on that. Maybe ka Gaza swi fike swi lunghisiwa sweswo because hi xitalo mi kuma ku munhu u fika a producer kan'we ntsena a nga ha yi kumi mali. Producer money hit, but you're no longer generating an income. Maybe if I figure consider Gaza, the producer Gaza, Shingabulinda, Shingabapona Shunan, Kuyamashwin. So it's a share sort of shadow commercial as Master T, have the Gopta Panzin, Ashunda, Yashana producer in song, Kutlum Quad. Dokura Amgaze, and subscribe and take a subscribe.